Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Life Captured. So in this video we are going to see how Dubai uses its technology and transform itself in the coming years. Wow, there are so many flying cars over here. This is the Hyperloop, which is set to connect Al-Ain, Dubai and Abu Dhabi at unimaginable speed with safety and sustainability. And this is going to take nearly 10,000 passengers per hour from Dubai. These are self-driving vehicles and Dubai has the objective of having 25% of all trips being conducted by self-driving vehicles by 2030. And there are also going to be many advances in the healthcare system in UAE. So we know about 3D printing clothes, but have you heard about 3D printed buildings? Oh my god, that is really very cool. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you have also got some very important information from this video. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.